Parker on his third solve here. Fourth solve, excuse me.
8 seconds.
109 for Parker Traeger. So that's a 109, and that's going to be his best single so far. But we're going to watch Parker here because this could be pretty important. For it all. Oh. 232. Let's see what happened. Oh. It's hard to watch. A lot of inspection time. Will it work out for him? Yes, it does. 468. Wow. What a solve from Carson. He recognizes the LOL, and it's solved. 468. But let's see if Aiden can do any better. Doesn't look like it. But 532 anyway. That is not going to beat Carson's average, though. 0.98 for Quinn. That's a sub 1. Can you make those 0.98s count?
8 seconds.
Yes! 0.99! What? Those are 2. Not 1, not 2, but 3 sub 1s in a row. That is insane. Decipher what Quinn did. 0.91 for Aiden. Now. Oh, that's also good again. 268. Whoa, what? A big chance to make this work out. Is it good? 296. Wait, hold on a minute. That is going to be sub 3 for sure. 296 for Fiona. Let's see what the scramble has to offer for Carson.
8 seconds. 12
He's going to go probably all out on this solve because there's nothing too much to lose. He doesn't lose a lot. 594. If only maybe he could change a little bit of the other average.